We are owning our curves in today's SHEIN try-on fashion haul. Life doesn't move in straight lines, it moves in curves. The twist of career changes, the peaks of joy, the valleys of growth, and the gentle arcs of self-discovery. Today, we are celebrating every contour of our journey, whether it is the curve of our smile, the curve of our path, or the curve of our body. Everyone deserves to own their curve, live unapologetically, and write their own story. The first fashion pieces, there's two. The first piece is this GlowEve Curve plus size women's spring summer casual elegant commuter color block shirt collar, off the shoulder short sleeve fitted stylish asymmetrical blouse in the color black and white. She cute, y'all. This is a cute blouse. I'm loving the off the shoulder detail as well as the asymmetrical at the bottom. The black portion of this blouse is ribbed, and I am loving her. And I can imagine wearing this casually with some jeans, or as you see, I am wearing these pants with this that's also a part of this try on. These plus size woman high-waisted casual pattern pants, they're also by GlowEve. These pants have a cool look to them in the black and white with the floral print. They are nice and flowy, lightweight, easy to wear, and I'm loving the fit of them. They have an elastic waist and can be belted. And I'm loving them so much that I ordered another pair. I actually accidentally ordered two pairs, guys. But they are so pretty and so comfortable. The next fashion piece is a curve plus size woman's sleeveless solid color elegant 3D floral designed blouse. This blouse is so versatile for daily use or wear. You can wear it to work. It is for spring and summer. This blouse comes in the color that you see here, the pink. It also comes in a light green as well as a baby blue. This blouse can be dressed up or dressed down. It is so soft. The material is breathable, very good quality, and I must add, affordable. It's very flattering. It offers both comfort and style. The vibrant color adds charm, making it perfect for casual outings or relaxed everyday wear. Now the next piece is a plus size woman's casual striped knit twist design dress by Maweii. This dress comes in 13 different color pattern designs. This dress looks very pretty. It is soft and flowy, very long, but it's not dragging the floor, which I love. And I am 5'8". This dress is one of the most flattering and well-fitting dresses you will own. I absolutely love the twist detail in the waist. Get this dress and shine at your next casual event. I plan on pairing this dress with a cute handbag and a cute sandal, flat sandal. Now, the next outfit is by GlowEve Curve as well, and it is a plus size, elegant, commuter solid color, tie waist jacket and pants suit set. Now, I picked the navy blue, but it also comes in dark green, burgundy, a khaki color, and black. And this suit looks amazing in all 5 colors. While this suit is unlined, it is still very nicely made, and I'm loving that the fabric has a stretch to it. I absolutely love the look of this suit. I love the feel of it, and it will definitely turn heads when you wear it. If you wear it to work, if you wear it to church, you're gonna turn heads. It is a very nice pantsuit. I can also see this being worn at weddings. That's how pretty this suit is. I decided to wear this suit with a beige tank top, beige shoes, and carry a beige handbag, keeping it very simple, and the focus is on the suit. Now, the very last item is this GlowEve Curve plus size elegant 3D floral pleated long sleeve dress. I chose this color red, which is my favorite color, but it also comes in 8 other different colors. This dress is really pretty and easy to wear, but it also has a lot going on, but it still works. It has these long sleeves with this beautiful floral on both of them. It has a attached waist string that you can tie. The back of it is plain, but the front of this dress is pleated. At the top, it is a little see-through and a little collar on the neck, but overall it is beautiful. I've paired this dress with some beautiful red shoes. This dress can definitely be worn to an elegant event as well as church. This dress is a must-have. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, to get your hands on some of these amazing fashion pieces, use the search and follow GlowEve Curve and Maweii to show your own curve story. Stay inspired and do not miss out. Use my code, which will be listed below, for a special discount. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, which helps me out tremendously. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed and beautiful day.